I'm Robin Buell. I'm the Georgia Research Alliance Eminent Scholar Chair in Crop Genomics here at University of Georgia. So my first exposure to the Plant Center was about 10 years ago when they invited me to come and give a talk. At that time I was at Michigan State University, and that's where I first became exposed to UGA plant science research and the concept of the Plant Center. The Plant Center is something very unique at universities, and so here at University of Georgia, it's this nexus, this virtual center that allows people that are working on plants across campus, not just the Athens campus, but Tifton and Griffin, to come together and talk about plants, find collaborations, find expertise.
You know, a good plant breeder has to work with, say, insects and entomologists. They have to work with diseases. They have to work with physiologists. And the Plant Center is the one that brings all those different disciplines together so that we can work as a team.
My lab pioneered the CRISPR gene editing for forest trees. We have super efficient system, so we are a major partner of the Bioenergy Center for Bioenergy Innovation, one of the 4 centers funded by DOE. So we collaborated with people all over the country.
I often make a joke that my lab works on any plant that has DNA, which is of course all of them, and that's in large part because the mechanisms that we discover in one plant are conserved in other plants. But we mostly focus right now on studying row crops like maize, soybean, and rice, and we work on these plants because they have very specific, unique histories that have occurred since their domestication. And they also have very different genome sizes and gene content that make them interesting studies for evolution of gene expression.
So the Plant Center has been special to me because it was a place that I could communicate with other scientists in the plant sciences and in molecular and cellular biology. But the Plant Center, with a retreat and a symposium annually, gave the opportunity to actually, since we really didn't have remote technologies at the time that I joined, to actually travel and have face-to-face conversations.
It's really one of the most exciting poster sessions that I've experienced. And I've experienced a lot going to annual meetings of various societies and so on. But the students really enjoy sharing their work with each other and with the faculty and trying to get those awards, first, second, or third place award.
UGA in plant sciences, there's an integrated plant sciences program, or IPS, and the way this works is it's multi-college, multi-department way for grad students to come in where they don't have to necessarily have a lab picked out ahead of time. And so there are 3 rotations in the fall where students can try working with different labs and seeing if that fits.
It's one of these unique ways to allow more collaboration, more information, and more connections here at University of Georgia. And the payoff, the return on investment is huge. Because when we go out and talk about what's going on here at University of Georgia, we now have a bigger knowledge of the breadth of research.